Top 5 best drawing apps for beginners. You want to start drawing. You've got ideas, you've got passion, but the question is, which app should you actually start with? With so many options out there, it's easy to feel stuck before you even draw your first line. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best drawing apps for beginners, whether you're using a tablet, a phone, or even just your laptop. Let's get straight into it. Number 5. Sketchbook by Autodesk. Simple, clean, powerful. Sketchbook is perfect if you want to focus on drawing without distractions. The interface is minimal, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with features like layer support, pressure sensitivity, customizable brushes, and even symmetry tools. Great for sketching, inking, and even basic color work. And here's the best part, it works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. If you're just starting out and want something that feels intuitive but still pro level, Sketchbook delivers. Number 4. Sui Sketches. Sui Sketches is all about realistic drawing tools. The pencil feels like a pencil. The watercolor behaves like real paint. Every stroke reacts naturally, making it a joy to use, especially on an iPad or Android tablet. It's great for artists who enjoy the feel of analog tools but want digital convenience. The free version is more than enough to start. And when you're ready, you can unlock the Pro version for advanced layers and extra brushes. If you love drawing just to relax and experiment, Sui might become your favorite. Number 3. Medibank Paint. Now we're talking comic artists, manga lovers, digital illustrators. Medibank Paint is a powerhouse made for you. It comes with tons of brushes, screen tones, comic fonts, and even cloud storage, all for free. Yep, completely free. What makes it stand out is the easy-to-use comic panel tools and the ability to sync your work across devices. Whether you're on desktop, tablet, or phone, Medibank is lightweight, efficient, and fun to use. Perfect if you're exploring digital storytelling or character design. Number 2. Procreate Pocket. Procreate. If you've got an iPad or iPhone, you've probably heard of Procreate, and yes, it lives up to the hype. It's smooth, it's professional, and yet it's beginner friendly. You get over 200 brushes, advanced layering, time-lapse recording, and no subscription, just a one-time purchase. Procreate Pocket is the smaller version for iPhone and it's just as powerful in your hand. What makes Procreate shine is how quickly it lets you get into a creative flow. You're drawing within seconds, no setup, no learning curve nightmares. If you want to grow from beginner to pro without switching platforms, this is a top pick. Number 1. Ibis Paint X. At number 1, we've got the ultimate beginner's drawing app, Ibis Paint X. Why? Because it combines simplicity and serious features all inside a super smooth interface. It's perfect if you're just starting, and it's free on both Android and iOS. You get layer support, blending modes, stabilizers, and even tools to help with perspective and symmetry. But here's what makes it a game changer: the built-in tutorials and a speed paint community. You can watch how other artists create step by step and learn directly through the app. If you want to learn by doing and watching, Ibis Paint X is the perfect place to begin. Ready to start drawing? You don't need expensive tools or complicated software, just one of these apps, a finger or a stylus, and a little bit of time. Start today, because the only way to get better is to begin. Which app are you starting with? Have a favorite already? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped you choose your next creative tool, leave a like to support the channel.